welcome back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old and I'm the co-founder of TellingToTheKids.com. So today we are gonna do C++ functions. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! But hold on a second, my MacBook battery is very low. As you can see, it's only 22%. So I'm just gonna go quickly and turn the power on. One second, guys. Yeah, now it's working. So yeah, without any delay, let's get started. Dab. So let me minimize the screen. Perfect house. Let me just see if the volume is full. Yes, it is. Okay, so Google Chrome. So here is our C++ functions. So yeah, let's do it. So we all know that a function is not a block of code which a function is a block of code which only runs when it's called, right? So if you just think that you're just gonna make a function and you're just not gonna just make a function like this, you make a function and for example you have not given this main function and you think that it will run. No, it won't run. You will have to call the function, right? If see, like right here is this, and you're just not calling the function, so it's just error. I did return I exist. Basically, we're trying to make a function and we are trying to run it, but we have not given the int main function to do the work, right? So now when we press it, run it, then it's gonna print. I just got executed. See? Okay. So you can pass data into it. You know those are called as parameters into a function. You can even add. You can pass them arguments in it also. Functions are used to perform certain actions and they are important for reusing code, defining the code once, and use it many times. So, functions are very important in any language as if there's a code and you want to do just on one thing like lots of things, so instead of doing print this and that, and you're just gonna go, oh my god, I've just gonna do print and sorry, I'm talking about Python. You have to just see out. Like it was gonna be like, oh my god, how much see out statements do I have to give, right? So that's why function is used, so that if on one thing you want to do many things instead of making a line of code, function makes your code more understandable, more better, and more shorter. So yeah, functions are very important. So let's see how do we create a function in C++. So C++ provides some predefined functions such as main. Predefined, if you don't know the meaning, it is like it just gives it on its own. It has made those functions which you can use, okay? Which is used to execute your code. Like basically in C++, without the main function, you can do nothing. And really, you can't do anything without the main function in functions. If you are gonna create your own function and you need it to call the function, right? So this is how you can do it. This is void. So void is a data type. You can say it is a data type. You didn't read it in here, and you over here you didn't read about it. Like you can just, it's not really a data type, but it's type of a data type, so you can just call it as a data type. So though it is used like it's not going to return any value, okay? And after it's not only you have to give void, like if you want to return any value and use return, then you have to give other kind of data type, like what type of value you want to return, right? After that, you have given the data type. You have to give the name of the function, then give parentheses, and give these curly brackets. And this part inside over here is the code. That is the main code which needs to be executed. Okay. So yeah, now let's, as we know how to create a function, now let's learn how to call that function. What you have to do is, after you've made a function, you're gonna use the int main function and you're gonna do my function. So this is how you're gonna call the function. You're gonna give that function's name and the parentheses, okay, and return 0. Now, a function can be called many times. It's not only like call it once and you're over. You can call it like many times. Like you can call it like this. Like you can call it 3 times by just writing in my function and parentheses and my function and parentheses, right? So it's gonna print. I just got executed 3 times as you have called the function 3 times. Now, function declaration and definition. A C++ function consists of 2 parts. So there are 2 parts in this. One is declaration and one is definition. So declaration is like this the type and where you're gonna give the parameter and the name, and basically just like just creating a function. And definition is the part which is all definition is what everything is inside the function. Okay. If so, there's a note. If a user defined function such as my function in is declared after the main function, an error will occur. If you think you can put the int main function here and call the my function, and you have created an my function over here, it's gonna get an error. So basically you have to first give the my function, then only after it you have to use the main function. Okay. However, it is possible to separate the declaration and definition of the function for code optimization. Sorry. You will often see C++ programs that have functions declaration above main and functions definition below main. This will make the code better organized and easier to read. So let me just show you. So we are creating a void my function, and like um, you can do like this, like you have given void my function, then you have created that int main and you're gonna call that function, and at the end you're gonna again give this line void my function, and then just create the function here, right? So this will make your code much better, easier, and pretty good. So here are some C++ exercises, but as we have not done the chapters all yet, let's just do the first exercise. So why? Cause this is related to the first chapter. Void this. I'm sorry. Let me read the exercise. Create a function named my function and call it inside me. So it's saying us to create a function. So let me just create my function. Now we want to call it inside main. So obviously to call it we have to give the function name, but we can't forget our parentheses. Okay guys, when we submit this, see it's correct. Let's see if the second one. Okay, insert the missing part to call my function 2 times. So if you want to call the function like 2 times, you just have to give it 2 times, right? If you want to run it 2 times, you have to give it give its name like 2 times. Let me just copy paste this. And that's correct. Okay, so we have not done the parameters and everything till yet. So we have done the first and second exercise, and we have done C++ functions, guys. Next video will be C++ function parameters. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Damn! 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, snap!